Hello and welcome to another video walk around with myself, Jennifer, at Toyota Northwest Edmonton. Today we are looking at your 2018 pre-owned Toyota Camry XSE. It's a 4-door, 5-passenger front-wheel drive sedan in a cool and classic silver color. Under the hood you'll find a 3.5-liter V6 cylinder engine, and you'll be riding on top of 19-inch wheels. You also have your 360-degree bird's eye view camera, as well as your fully automatic headlights and your pre-collision system as part of your Toyota Safety Sense. Starting up your Camry, simply put your foot on the brake and hit that push start button there. That dashboard's going to light up with that really cool ambient lighting. Taking a look at the kilometers, you do have 10,246. You have your stunning leather wrapped steering wheel with all your steering wheel mounted controls like your voice command, your volume control, your mode changers, and your cruise control is available right there. You have your dynamic radar cruise control as well as your lane departure warning. Right on your dashboard there you do have a multi-information display which you can control right from your steering wheel mounted controls. Taking a look at your awesome LCD screen. It does come with your audio here, so you have your AM FM radio as well as your Sirius XM radio. You have your CD player on top with your Bluetooth audio USB input, so you can bring your music wherever you go. Another cool feature is your bird's eye view camera, so you have that right on the side while we turn on that backup camera as well to make sure that you can see exactly where your vehicle is within the space. It is a cool feature that you should definitely come in and try out for yourself. We do have your dual zone climate control down here, so you can set a different temperature for your driver and for your passenger side. You can also set it on an automatic climate control as well. Below here it is a little bit dark, but you do have your USB and your 12-volt DC charger. We have some convertible storage under here which you can close up to keep nice and clean, as well as it, again, a little bit dark, but it is your Qi wireless charging station. So you simply put your phone on top of here and it will charge for you. It's a nice feature to have, especially when you are a tech savvy kind of person. Taking a look at your shift knob now, you do have your stunning leather trim right on there, and then you have your heated seats for both your driver and your passenger. You have a modern parking brake as well as your different drive modes. We have that chrome detailing on your cup holder. Taking a look at your center console, you do have your USB charging and you have plenty of space to store everything that you need. You see that stunning, we're tying everything together, as well as your locked glove box with all the manuals you'll need to know everything there is to know about your Camry, and that lock, of course, keeping everything nice and safe. Plenty of stunning features going on in the inside of your Camry, but why don't we head on back and take a look at cargo. Here we are at the back cargo area of your Camry. To open up that trunk, simply hold that release on your fob. It'll pop open for you here. Check out all that space that's available to you, stretches all the way back, and you also do have your 60/40 split folding seats in case you need some convertible storage. Of course, underneath your hardcover you have all the tools, and your jack in case anything does happen, and underneath this handy piece is your spare tire as well, so everything is stored nice and organized. You do have your emergency release up there, closing it up. Your backup camera is available, as well as your sonar sensors on your clean back bumper there. You do have your bird's eye view as well, so it's nice and easy to back out of those spots as we take one more look at the back of your Camry. Taking one final look at your pre-owned 2018 Toyota Camry XSE. With your sweet, stylish interiors, as well as Toyota's reliability and your long-term performance with your Toyota Safety Sense features, you definitely will be riding in comfort. But don't just take my word for it. Come on in, take it for a test drive. We are at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on the corner of 137th Ave and St. Albert Trail.